84 Cutlass, candy cobalt blue. Got it painted fresh out the paint shop. Still got some stuff I need to do. I need to get the insides done. The car was that faded brown. The interior is in pretty good shape, but it doesn't match the candy cobalt blue, so I gotta get that done. Put some shoes on it. Got a speaker box from one of my partners. Bought it from him, DD 115. It's the 9500 series. One of them big bad boys. I still gotta, well, I was gonna get the box wrapped up. Some told me to test fit it. And when I test fit it, the box is like 2 inches too big because it won't let my trunk close all the way. So I gotta get that. Redone. No big deal. Not in a hurry to get all dazzled up just yet. But yeah, the insides ain't too bad, but it don't match with the candy. But I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna let y'all hear how that 115 sound. I ain't even turn the car on. I'm gonna just turn it backwards so the you can hear the the music. But I'm gonna change out the head unit, and I still gotta put some highs and stuff in. I just want to hear how that one speaker sound. In here. It sound good, but I gotta get the box rebuilt. But turn it up to 22. Go to like 40 or whatever. I don't know. 24. But it's just 115. If you don't know about DD, you better learn, because these motherfuckers knock. And that's just 115. I gotta get some more highs and stuff. But I just wanted to let y'all see how that 15 sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but that motherfucker sound like thunder. I got my garage door down, because if I let it up, then my neighbors will be like, where the fuck that noise coming from? With my garage door down, they can't really tell where it's coming from. But that motherfucker knocking. But it could be a rumor. Investigation crime scene, they found a body by two. And then I gotta get a new amp, because that's just a little 1,000-watt kicker amp. That's just a little 1,000-watt kicker amp. And it can, that DD can handle way more power than that. I just wanted to hear how it sounded. But yeah, she coming along. The fuck? Now I got a moth in my garage. But she coming along. Holla at your boy, leave a comment. Yo, 115. Sound better than some of y'all 215s or 312s or whatever. If you don't know about DD, digital design made out of Oklahoma, you better ask somebody.